That's ransom, I'm handsome. Tell your girl to come get some. Go back to my crib and she can't dance for some money, dollar bills. Stick it in her bra. Mama said you needed a new pair of heels. Every day stunting, every day stunting. If you ain't seen me, then you ain't seen nothing. Roll with 3 broads on me and there's mo in the garden. Tell that hoe be quiet or I'll sell her for a bargain. And my flow's a little crazy. Hike up your booty shorts. I said, thank you, Miss Daisy. Chillin' all day, lazy. Smoking in the car, it's getting hazy. What will I do if record labels start paying me? Some Patron out the bottle, go meet another model. Take her to my room and see if she spit or swallow. Then it's back on the streets, slam on the throttle. And I'm stunting every day, so you know it ain't a problem. Yeah. Alright. She take off my clothes, I take off my Rolex. We take all her clothes off and have hours of rough sex. And it's back to the party where it all began. And it just got hot, please turn on the fan. Oh wait, it's just me and she my #1 fan. It's hard trying to leave this place, but I got a plan. Sneak out the back and leave my car here. Running real fast, trying not to spill my beer. Had to get away, that shit was never ending. That's the type of party that you won't see me attending. And she thinks I'm just pretending, but she's not comprehending. And I'm gonna leave it at that. The end. And that was a really gay ending. I went in, went hard, and then it just went all downhill. But whatever. Shit happens. Fuck it.